Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use and/or conditions with the conditional logic feature in bit form. Let's begin. To create your first form, simply click on the Create First Form button. Choose what type of form you want to create from here. I want to create a simple contact form, so simply use this template. Now go to the Settings section. Then select Conditional Logics. Click on the Add Conditional Logic button. Set the condition based on your purpose. If the first name field value starts with B, or the last name field value ends with S, then the email field is hide. Then click on the Update button. When a user fills out the form, if the first name value starts with B, or the last name value ends with S, then the email field will be hidden. Now let's fill out the form. Now I will show you how the end condition feature works. So first, return to the Form Settings section and select the end condition. Then click on the Update button. When filling out the form, the email field will be hidden if the both conditions are met. Otherwise, it will remain visible if either condition is not met. Now let's fill out the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.